Hi, I'm Kristyn with Bend Beyond. Today's Inferno exercise is standing bicycles. I love standing bicycles because they not only get your powerhouse muscles all fired up with a little extra special attention to your obliques, but they also give you a wonderful cardio boost. They're a great exercise to do as an alternative if one of our other cardio exercises is unavailable to you some days. Wide-legged half burpees, mountain climbers not happening? Try standing bicycles instead. Form is key in your standing bicycles like in all of our Inferno exercises. Let's go take a closer look. Standing bicycles. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Interlace your hands behind your head, elbows wide. Shoulders down away from your ear. Now zip up your internal corset. Pull your navel in nice and strong and then lift up one leg as you twist your torso over, getting into the obliques. That leg goes down, other leg comes up, and you reach across with the shoulder armpit rather than the elbow. Stand tall throughout this exercise, and as you get the good alignment, you can pick it up, getting that great cardio boost I talked about. A couple things to watch out for is collapsing in the upper body, allowing the elbow shoulder to dip down towards the leg. Instead, stay lifted the whole time, wide across the collarbone, and find a twist as you get into your obliques. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.